students. Our subject today is computer. I'm your teacher Eden. We are on the week 3. Okay, our lesson for today is computer machine parts. So the computer machine has changed through the years. The idea of computer began with people wanting an easier way to calculate numbers. Now we use computer for everything. Its design, purpose, and efficiency have a great developed. So the computer machine is easier now. We can get more information about the computer. Okay. So inputs devices are any devices that send data to computer. Without these devices, a computer would just be plain machine and no users can interact with it. So if the inputs devices are not there, we cannot use this, the computer. Okay, these are devices are follows: the keyboard, mouse, trackball, microphone, web camera, drawing tablet, scanner, joystick, light, pen. Okay, the processing devices of a computer work for the storage and recovery information. The information is processed by the computer processor, the central processing unit, CPU, which give out result to the user. The CPU then saves the result to the computer memory called random access memory or RAM. So that is the processing devices through the CPU. Okay, the parts found inside the CPU are as follows. The motherboard. What is the motherboard? Allows the central processing unit and all other computer parts to function with each other. Number 2, the processor handles all instructions it receives from the computer parts and programs. Memory serves a temporary storage of information or data. So these are that found in the CPU. The motherboard, the processor, and the memory. Okay, output devices. Our devices are computer parts that receive or display the results. These devices are the follows: monitor, printer, speaker, and headset. So what is the monitor? It's the screen of the computer. Okay, the printer is a commonly used device to print text, drawing, and pictures. That is the printer. The speaker are used to listen to video, sounds, and music. That is the speaker. The headset works like a speaker when a computer plays a sound. Okay. That is the output devices that follows. Okay. The storage devices. The storage devices are parts of the computer that keep the information stored on the computer. These are devices are as follows. The floppy disk is the CR or DVD. Okay. The floppy disk is the portable disk that was used in the early desktop to computer. So CR or DVD is a round like plate storage devices that is often used in recording music or videos. Flash drive is a small data storage device that uses a flash memory and has built-in universal serial bus or the USB connection. Yeah. Flash memory. So what's flash memory card? Is used for digital cameras, cellular phones, game consoles, and PC cards. Hard disk issues were found inside the hard drive which read and writes data on the disk. CDR room uses the same technology as that of an audio CD, but they are formulated differently. This technology allows them to store many of types. So these are the devices, the inputs, the storage, output. Okay, so these are the devices that we know through the computer. Okay, do you understand, children? Okay, very good. Thank you and goodbye.